Welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'll show you how to install the Wendy app and how to use the Wendy app widgets on iPhone. Open App Store, then tap Wendy, then tap Get. After that, open the app, tap Allow, then tap Set Units. You can choose outdoor activities, wind sports, or many else, or tap Other and tap Save. You should log in, so tap Login and set an email address and password. You can use iCloud. If you want to set a Wendy widget, tap higher on the screen and tap Add Widget. Search Wendy on the bar icon of search. Here you can choose premium forecast widget, and you can choose the normal forecast widget. I take this, tap add widget. So for example, this is it. So hope you enjoyed this, and that's it. Follow for more tutorials.